Hi, it's Alberto with Moller Realty Group, broker associate and property manager. Today we're going to go to a property that I'm managing and check the carbon monoxide detector and the smoke detector. We try to check on these yearly for our owners just to make sure that they are working properly, and if they need to be replaced, then we can take care of that at that time. So follow me along on today's property management, checking out our duplexes and make sure the carbon monoxide detector and smoke detector are functioning.
I'm ashamed to say this, Dave, because I've never.
All ready to go inside, got my mask on and kitty. I just finished up testing the smoke alarm and carbon monoxide detectors. California law does require that a smoke detector be installed in each room in a rental. It's also wise to have one in the hallway and one in the kitchen. And I would definitely recommend that you install carbon monoxide detectors wherever there's a tankless water heater running off of natural gas, or in a garage where you have a car and it can be enclosed, such as a garage, and then it would emit carbon dioxide. So I recommend carbon monoxide in those areas, and smoke detectors, one in the kitchen, one in the hallway, and one in each bedroom, just to be on the safe side. Thanks for following along on today's property manager adventures with Alberto Hernandez and Moller Realty Group.